Contemporary minimalistic designs from Mumbai are so classy. चेन्नई के bronze items are unmatched. दिल्ली में decor shopping की बात ही कुछ और है. मैं हूं आरुषि और अभी जितनी भी स्टाइल्स की बात मैंने की वो सभी स्टाइल्स आपको आपके अपने शहर रायपुर में ही मिल सकती हैं. यही तो खास बात है हमारी सीरीज स्पॉटलाइट की. वी शो यू द प्लेसेस जिसे देखने के बाद आप मजबूर हो जाते हैं ये कहने पर क्या ये भी है रायपुर में. कम लेट्स चेक दिस आउट. So guys, I am here at Home and Soul to redo my living space. यहाँ पे आपको मिलती है wide range of artifacts, paintings, console tables, side tables, vases और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जो आपको अपनी स्पेस को डेकअप करने में हेल्प करती हैं. So guys, if you want to decorate a space and need some inspiration, come down to Home and Soul because I am sure you'll find the pieces जो relevant भी होंगे और beautiful भी. To see what's my favorite style, watch the video till the end. Wow, this is so cute and functional. I really like it. Wow, my Maggie is gonna love this. तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं, तुम इतनी सुंदर दिखो. This is my style. ये ले ही लेती हूँ. Coming to Home and Soul, मुझे यहाँ सब कुछ पसंद आ रहा है. Anybody will be spoiled for choices coming here. I guess I'm little overwhelmed. Let's get some help.
Hello, hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
So here I am with the co-owner of Home and Soul. Hi Shivangi.
Hi.
Shivangi, I am here to redo my living space. But the problem is कि मुझे यहाँ सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm so confused. Can you please help me out?
Definitely, but first I need to know what is your style, what makes you happy?
यार वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने शुरुआत ही गलत कर दी थी. Like I like contemporary designs. I like geometrical silhouettes. And at the same time I love traditional decor also. And Shivangi, ये जो आपकी human sculptures है ना, I'm in kind of love with them. समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ.
Let's pick out a few pieces, we'll build up a mock-up and then let's see which style suits you the best.
हाँ तो देर किस बात की है? Let's start the beautification.
Let's do it. So this is a more of a traditional style. If you want to preserve your family heirlooms with a modern touch, you should go for this style.
Well, Shivangi, this is damn pretty, damn beautiful. My mom will love it. But as of now, I'm looking for something more chic.
Okay then, let's try something else.
Sure. Wow, Shivangi, I really like this. Can we create something around this piece of beauty?
Perfect. Let's find out pieces that complements this. Oh, this will look great with this wall art you've selected.
I'm taking this. I am to really a mirror obsessed person. What about this mirror?
Oh, that will look very nice. You should go with this sculpture as well.
How about these flamingos?
Oh, this will add a vertical dimension to your space.
So let's take this.
Yes.
ये बहुत सही लग रहा है, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है.
So let's take it.
Okay, I am taking this. What a trending piece. I am taking this.
So all these pieces together, they make a contemporary style, which is very eye-pleasing. So like the colors, white, golden and black, that keeps it very grounded. It all adds up to the aesthetic value.
शिवांगी, ये बिल्कुल वैसा लग रहा है जैसे हाई एंड मैगजीन्स में नहीं होता, आर्ट डाइजेस्ट टाइप मैगजीन्स में. I am so loving it.
Yeah, exactly. So this is one style. Let's make up another one.
Why not?
So this is an industrial design which gives you a very edgy look. Personally, my favorite, totally in trend right now.
Mine too, Shivangi.
So basically, you know what happens? This furniture that gives it a very raw, edgy look, that is where the decor comes in. It gives it a very soft, human and warmth feeling in it.
Thank you so much for helping me create my own space and my own style.
Honestly, Arushi, this is all you. You've picked up all the pieces, and this is what is the speciality of Home and Solace. We have variety of pieces where you can come and be your own designer.
Well, I am loving this. Being a designer for creating my own living space. Thank you to this wonderful place, Home and Soul. मैंने तो अपना लिविंग स्पेस सॉर्ट कर लिया है, वो भी कुछ ही घंटों में. If you are confused or not sure, tie up your laces and come on over to Home and Soul. Believe me, you will be leaving with bags full, heart happy and space worth warm. And if you like our video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Local Few.